Hello everyone, so in the video we will talk about page. Click on page and here you will see about, contact, blogs, yes, so you can rename to the correct name. And in here, about I will change to contact, so you can click on quick edit and I will change to contact. And slang I will rename to contact too. And in here, and slang is the URL. Example, when you go to website yanqing.com/contact, you will go to this page, and after you change, you can click on update. So this is my contact, and my blog page I will edit to blog. So I will edit to blog. Slang I will edit to blog 2 with the small b, yeah, and click on update. In my front page I will edit to home. In here I will edit to home also with small h and update. If you don't want the sample page or you don't want the service, you can select and then delete. Drop down, move to draft and apply. And if you want to see what your privacy policy page look like, you can click on preview. So this is your privacy policy page look like. And I will ask my friends ChatGPT to write me the privacy policy for my website. So I go back to my dashboard and go to page. In privacy policy, you can click on edit and edit with element. And I will ask ChatGPT to write me the privacy policy, and then I will copy and paste in here. So now we go to ChatGPT. So click enter. Perfect. So now let's copy and go to paste in the privacy policy page. I will select all and copy and go to my page and Ctrl A, Ctrl V, paste in here and click on public. And you can click on have a look your privacy policy page. It will look like this. And click on the logo. We go back and you go to scroll down to setting and privacy. And in here you select to the privacy, and this is super important for the legally, and you are required to have one and to let Google know that you are playing by the rule, and click on use this page. Okay, so our privacy policy is finished, and I need one more page. It is term and condition. So go to page again, click on page and scroll down. In here we do not have term and condition, so I will add one more page for the term and condition. I will click on add new page in here and term and condition. So let's go back to ChatGPT to write us the term and condition, and let's click on new chat and and click enter. Perfect. So now ChatGPT write me the term and condition, and you can look it through. And I will copy this and copy and go to my term and condition page, and I will paste in here. Control V. All right. So click on publish, and you can view your page to see what is your page look like. It look like this. Perfect. So we have done. And next section we will talk about the top menu and the button menu. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like for more video update.